So this is going to be a bird's eye view of all the parts of CopyPaste. This is the icon for the menu, and it consists of a clipboard with the clover, the command key symbol in the center. When you click on that, then you can see the CopyPaste menu. That's what we call this part. And that is the administration menu. And we're going to race through now and try and do everything as quickly as possible. And then we'll go more into depth on each of these areas in a separate video. So starting at the bottom, this is the clip history. This is where your copies go. And when you first make a copy, it goes to clip 0, and then it's pushed down in the stack, as we talked about before. Above this, we see the administrative menu, where you can get to online help and where you can check for updates, which is also automatic. You can send us feedback, questions, bugs, comments. You can check the status of iCloud from here. You can purchase and enter the license for your copy of CopyPaste here. Preferences goes here. If you select it, you'll see all the different preferences from the system, kind of usual sort of system preferences, the more particular type of preferences that you see for CopyPaste, which is found here with clip types, and menu, and sound control settings, the emoji panel, and others. This is where you set the hotkey. We have default set that we recommend, but you can set your own depending on your needs. Here you can exclude various apps if you don't want them to interact with CopyPaste. Here you can turn iCloud on and off. Here you can actually export all the clip sets and clips or import them. And there's other settings here for backing up and for moving your clips over from a previous version of CopyPaste. And also here in Reset, you can clear the clip history, clear favorites, clear all clip sets and clips, and reset your default settings. So it's like when you first got the app. And they're called advanced because we recommend you understand more about the app before you use anything here. Shared, we don't need to go into. The license is kept here and the about is here. So let's see. The clip manager is here, and the clip manager is the editor for clips. You can open that up, but we won't do it right now because there'll be a video particularly about that one, which will be comprehensive. Clip sets, these are the permanent clips that you decide to keep. The clip history is temporary. So just like the regular clipboard, the one clip that you get with the regular clipboard comes, and the next time you copy, it goes. With CopyPaste, you can make the clip history as long as you like, but we kind of recommend keeping it at 50 in the beginning anyway. And that means that you'll wonder what happens when a clip gets to 50. At that point, it's deleted. It just disappears. So clip sets are a set of clips that you can keep permanently. So you might say we put them off to the side here. You can go and name them anything you want. The history is a clip set. It just happens to be temporary. And the rest of these are permanent. These are ones that you can keep around. And they contain information of all types: poems, research, screenshots, tech support, personal info is very valuable. And we'll go into that more later. Clip actions, this is where clip 0 actions act on this particular clip. So the item that you just copied, if you want to do something to it, you can immediately act on it with the clip 0 actions menu. That means you can do something like go to lettercase, and you'll see that in clip 0, everything is in uppercase. Now you want to change it to word case. So at this point, it moves the uppercase item down to 1, and then it does word case on this and puts it in clip 0. And that's how clip actions work. Whichever item you choose here, whether it's lettercase or cleaning that document in a variety of different ways, converting all of the words or numbers in that document in some way, extracting things like email addresses. So what that means is that if clip 0 contained a whole bunch of text, and among that text were some email addresses, you might have to go through and copy those out individually, and there might be 100, let's say. If you use this, you can just choose extract email addresses, and it pulls all those email addresses out of clip 0 and pushes that original up to here. And then what you have here is a document with the 100 email addresses alphabetically ordered with a carriage return after each. So with an email address on each line, ready for you to do whatever you need to do with it. So that is clip actions in a nutshell. The other thing to understand there is these clip 0 actions work on clip 0, but if you hold down the control key down here, then you will see the actions menu here. And the action menu changes depending on what you're holding it over. Right now we're seeing at least some, you can't see the bottom of it, but this is the text actions. And if you go up to here, you'll see the URL or link actions that can, these are the items that can act on a link. And then there's other actions depending on if there's numbers here and that sort of thing. So you'll notice that the actions menu changes depending on what the content of the clip is. And that's the quick bird's eye view and the end of this video. Thank you.